Let's listen the story of this patient who have done hair transplant in the year of 2016 with the SMART FUE technique at GLOJAS.
I have done my hair transplant in 2016, 7 years since I have been with GLOJAS. All my friends and family are very impressed and amazed with the results as it looks so natural. I chose GLOJAS because Prof. Dato Dr. JasG is a world-renowned surgeon, and all over the world patients such as China, Japan, India, Vietnam, and also US and UK trust and come here because of SMART FUE techniques. And all of us are very impressed with the results. I would like to say here, GLOJAS is the #1 hair transplant clinic with the international standard. Thank you, Prof. Dato Dr. JasG and the GLOJAS team.